Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I am the mompreneur here behind A Crafty Concept. In today's video, I have my helper Ava. Ava, can you tell me how old you are?
5.
5.
And I lost my first tooth.
And she lost her first tooth. And we are going to show you guys how to make some adorable Christmas ornaments using fillable Christmas globes and scrap yarn. If you are a crocheter, which is you probably are if you're on my channel, you probably have lots of yarn scraps laying around. And this will be a fun project that you can do with your kiddos. So there's lots of things that you can do. I will link the blog post in the comments below. There's a huge list of all the different ways that you could get creative with these ornaments. And let's just jump into the tutorial. Ava's getting really bored of this intro, so we will jump right into the tutorial and start making these ornaments. Okay, what's the first thing that they need?
Ornaments.
Where did we get those? We got these from Michael's. Just says DIY ornaments. Says it was $10, but I got them on sale, and this was a whole pack. I can't remember if it was 6 or 8. It's probably 6. And I got them 40% off. So you're gonna need some fillable ornaments. I like the ones that are flattish instead of completely round because it's easier to put vinyl decals on. It's easier to write on. But you can also get the round ones. I also like the clear and not the iridescent. The iridescent ones kind of distort the yarn colors. You can't see them as well. So I like the clear ones. Ava, hold on to that. And you're also gonna need some yarn scraps. I'm also going to be using some paint pens to customize ours at the end. I might write Merry Christmas. I'm thinking about making one that's solid white with solid white scraps and making a little snowman face on it. What is yours going to say on it? Happy what?
Can I say Happy Grinch Christmas?
Yes.
Happy Grinch Christmas.
Happy Grinch Christmas. That's what hers is going to say. You could also fill one up with lots of green and then draw a Grinch face on there. Should I do a Grinch face or a snowman?
Grinch face.
Okay, I'm going to do a Grinch face. Ava's going to do green and red. So let's just get in. I'm going to video us while we're making these ornaments so you guys can hang out with us, do some crafts, and then we'll see how cute they are at the end. Alright, so we're dumping out all of our scraps. Oh man, so many colors. Okay, and can you pop off the little lid on the ornament to show people how to do it? Okay, pop the lid off for me. Easy peasy. Now what are you going to do?
We're going to fill these up in here.
Okay, so show me how. You're doing red and green, you said?
Yep.
Are you going to make yours like sand art? Or are you going to make it just red and green mixy? Like, are you going to try to do stripes or just mixed up?
Just on top of each other, 1, 2, 1.
So you're gonna start with like green only?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got one.
I don't care which color green it is.
Oh, that's smart. Very good. I'm gonna throw in another pile of scraps because we're crazy. Every now and then you can show it to the camera. Oh, look at this. There's more greens. We both need green, so. I forgot to say you might want some scissors on hand so you can cut any yarns that end up being way too long. She is unnecessarily cutting already tiny yarn. Don't snip your finger off. That's enough. But if you have some scrap yarns that end up actually being really, really long, it's nice to have a pair of scissors on hand so you can cut them up as you go. Filled in ornament with all kinds of different shades of green, and then I'm going to use a paint pen. There's Ava's in the making, looking good. I'm going to use a paint pen to draw the Grinch's face. That's the goal. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to pop the lid back in here. Got these two little metal things. Ava is recording for me.
Yep. I'm her helper today.
She's my helper. There we go, easy peasy. Okay, Ava is finishing up hers. Let me see it. Very nice. Oh. Okay, very nice, very pretty. Try not to get the glare on it. Okay, and you ready to add the lid?
See if I can do it.
Oh, good job. I knew you could do it. Okay.
You can hang it up on your Christmas tree.
Are we ready to draw on them now?
Yep. Do it.
Okay, these are our 2 finished ornaments. I'm going to draw a Grinch face on mine, and Ava wants a wreath on hers. This is what we're going for. I will be using a black Sharpie, nope, this is Craft Smart paint pen, and I don't have a yellow paint pen, so I will be using a chalk pen instead. This will wash off if I touch it, so I'm going to try not to touch it. Also, it would be handy to have some fingernail polish remover or some alcohol on hand and a little wipe or some cotton balls so you can take away any mess ups. I'm just going to try really hard not to mess up, so that's the goal. Okay, so I'm going to try to draw this. I am not an artist. I'm going to try. So I'm going to start with his little nose. Just help me spatially. And then it's got like a little doop. And then he's got that very Grinchy smile. This isn't Grinchy enough. The real one is like pointy. So I'm gonna come, make it real big and point down and then back up again. Like his creepy, pointy smile. I'm trying to copy their cheek lines here. Okay, so far so good?
So far so good.
So pointy and then around. Is that good, Ava?
Yeah, very creepy.
Okay. I need to let this dry. So I'm going to let this dry while I do Ava's. So this is what we're going for Ava's decoration on her ornament. She wants to do a wreath. And we're going to start by drawing the circle. Oh, that is not easy. That is not easy at all, friend. Oh well, it's going to be very like country looking. So now we're going to do our red little bow at the bottom and cover up our little black line. And there we go. Now we're going to do our little black, these are our leaves. Since we don't have green, we're just going to do black. And I'm going to outline our little bow here. Okay. So I'm going to do silver, and then red, silver, red. I'm leaving gaps for the silver ornaments. There we go. Now we're going to do some silver ornaments. Okay, that one is Ava's. Ava, you want me to write anything in the middle of your wreath?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. 2020. Okay, there's Ava's. Now let's see if my Grinch eyes are dry enough. Okay, my Grinch is looking very creepy without his little eye pupils. Like this. I don't like that. I'm just going to go all the way. There we go. And then he's got some wrinkles right here.
Eyebrows.
Now we need a little bit of eyelashes over here.
Wait, what?
He's got eyelashes. Furry eyebrows. Okay, there he is. My Grinch scrap yarn ornament. Okay, Ava abandoned me, but I just wanted to show you one more time my little Grinch ornament. She took her ornament to go show her daddy, but here he is. You can get real fancy with this. Add the little hook to help it go on the tree, and then tie a pretty red bow that would kind of like make it look like he's wearing his little Santa hat. Or you could crochet a Santa hat and put it maybe on here and then let it hang from the Santa hat instead of from this. You can actually take this little metal piece off of this if you wanted to, and then put the Santa hat on there, maybe use a little hot glue to hold it in place, and then let it hang from the Santa hat on your Christmas tree. The options for these guys are endless. You can make any color combination, any design on them. You could make them look like Santa cams. You could make them look like Elf on a Shelf. You could put your kids' initials, your kids' names, the year, 2020. Like, you could put anything on these. You can use vinyl. You could glue on pom-poms. You can use the paint pens like we did here. You could do those little, what is that, foam. You could do foam stickers and let your kids decorate them. If you're really crafty, you could use some glitter to go on the outside of these. You could hot glue things for your kids. You could do like stick on some buttons or something. Absolutely endless when it comes to your options. I wanted to share it with you guys so you guys can have fun making these with your kids this holiday season. Again, you can check out the blog post for step-by-step instructions and a list of creative things that you could do with these or creative ways to decorate them and fill them. I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope if you make one of these ornaments, you will tag me in a picture on social media so I can see it. I am at A Crafty Concept on all platforms. Instagram is my main base, so if you have any questions or if you just want to say hi, head on over to Instagram, send me a DM. I would love to talk to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel in 2021, and all the likes, all the subscribes, all of the shares, those things help me tremendously. I'm not 100% sure how they help me, but I know other YouTubers say that, so I'm gonna say it too. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm more than happy to help you out. Also, just go ahead and subscribe if you want to learn more crafty crochet tutorials and then other yarny inspired crafts like this one. Also, I spend a lot of my time helping crocheters start and grow their own crochet businesses, selling their finished pieces. That is my passion. That is why I was put on this planet, so I will be happy to help you in that area too if you're thinking about starting a crochet business. I'm going to stop blabbing now and go put this guy on my Christmas tree. I hope you have a fantastic day, a wonderful holiday, and I will catch you in the next video.